It's very easy to get the reversing exercise wrong if you don't prepare for it properly, no matter how experienced a driver you are. Once the examiner has waved you off from the other end of the test pad, you should check your mirrors and blind spot, then move off smoothly. It is imperative that you position the vehicle correctly and consistently, otherwise each reverse attempt will be different. As you drive up the test pad, try to get as close as possible to the B cone, but obviously don't hit it. Check the B cone in your near side mirror as you pass it and adjust your steering. As you approach the A and A1 cones, you should be aiming to be slightly left of centre with your offside tyres, at the very least beyond the herringbone line. This will give you the maximum amount of space on your offside to carry out the manoeuvre. Do not go through A and A1 cones. Treat the line between them as a brick wall. As you approach them, check your near side curb mirror and you will see the A cone start to appear. Stop when it looks like it is just at the front of your near side step. Once stopped, handbrake on, select reverse and check your mirrors before you start moving backwards. From this point until you are stopped in the bay, you must have checked your left mirror at least 6 times. The rest of the time you can look in the right mirror or even stick your head out of the window, but you cannot open the driver's door. The trick now is to steer quickly but move slowly. Do not dry steer. Instead, just as the vehicle starts to move slowly backwards, apply full right hand lock until the cab is pointing to about 10 or 11 o'clock from straight or a pre-arranged marker on the trailer that your instructor will point out to you. Once you have achieved this angle between the tractor unit and the trailer, quickly neutralise the steering so the wheels are pointing straight and push the unit back until the rear wheels of the unit are no closer than 4 feet from the curb line. Then full left hand lock until the front and rear wheels are parallel with the curb line and straighten the wheels. You should still be at least 18 inches away from the line. Reverse parallel to the curb line until the 2 cones at the entrance to the bay start to disappear. Then full left hand lock until the side of the unit is flush with the side of the trailer. You should now be able to see the B cone. If not, then you will probably have to use one of your 2 allowed shunts to avoid hitting the B cone. As your middle axle passes the B cone, start introducing small amounts of left hand lock to bow the trailer towards the right and into the bay. Don't throw large amounts of lock at the exercise or you'll just end up zigzagging. About 1/4 of a turn of the wheel is enough. Imagine trying to steer around a 50p piece. 1/4 on, 1/4 off. Once you're heading straight into the bay, keep checking your mirrors until the rear of the trailer is on the stopping area. Again, using a marker discussed with your instructor, once you're happy with your stopping position, apply the handbrake and select neutral. If you want to, you can now get out and check your stopping position, but remember to switch off the engine and use 3 points of contact when you exit the vehicle. If you find that you have not gone far enough back, you can now adjust your position. Remember, the metal studs are spaced 1/2 meter apart, so you can use these as a guide when deciding how far you need to move the vehicle back.